Assalamualaikum to Madam Aslin Dahlan and my supervisor Pak Masyah. Today I'm going to present about my project for this final year project FYP Just Cookies Ordering Mobile Application with Notification. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Amin and my stakeholder for this project is Mr. Zainul. For the project background, Mr. Zainul Cookies business began after he graduated from the UiTM Jengka Pahang with a diploma in Planting Industry Management in 2019. And his yearly customer, mostly those around his area, Kuantan, and the delivery is made by cash on delivery, COD. As the business grow, he also receive order from other states like Kelantan, Kuala Lumpur, Perak and around Malaysia. And for this customer, he send via the courier service and the payment is made by the third party by online banking. Mr. Zainul set up this cookies business mainly for the celebration of Aidilfitri. However, he also accepts order for wedding or any special event. Now that his customer have increased and his volume of order is also increasing and he find it difficult to manage. Now for the business process, first we take the order from the customer through multiple social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram. And then he record the order in a piece of paper and then he purchase the ingredient. Next he making cookies by the ingredient and then he need to search for the order detail to check and to make sure the quantity and type of cookies for packaging is correct, and then check the order delivery option whether the cash on delivery, COD or courier service, and then make a delivery. Lastly, receive the payment online or cash. For the problem statement, first, difficulty to cope with many platforms to receive order from his customer. The second one is difficulty to search for specific order from his customer. You need to find the specific order and look for the order detail to make sure the packaging is correct. And then lastly, difficulty to keep track on delivery to the customer. This is because he sometimes forget about the delivery to his customer. Now for the methodology. For this project, I'm using modified waterfall, and there are three phases that I'm using. The first one is requirement gathering and analysis. Next is design, and lastly is implementation. For the requirement gathering and analysis, first we prepare the interview question to get the interview question, and then we conduct the interview to get the interview data, and then we analyze and construct the requirement diagram to produce use case diagram, domain class diagram, activity diagram and sequence diagram. And all of this diagram will document in the software requirement specification SRS. The objective is to gather and analyze the requirement of Just Cookies on the mobile application with notification. Next, we move to the second page, design. We design the system by construct the design diagram, multi-layer sequence diagram MLSD, design class diagram DCD and entity relationship diagram ERD. And then we design the user interface of the system by storyboard, and we document the design in the system design document SDD. Our objective is to design Just Cookies ordering mobile application with notification based on analyzed requirement. The last phase is implementation. Develop a functional Just Cookies ordering mobile application with notification, and our objective is to develop the Just Cookies ordering mobile application with notification. The aim for this project is to develop a Just Cookies ordering mobile application with notification to monitor and control the order process of Just Cookies. Our project objective is to gather and analyze requirement of Just Cookies ordering mobile application with notification, to design Just Cookies ordering mobile application with notification based on the analyzed requirement, and then lastly to develop the Just Cookies ordering mobile application with notification. This is the result for the phase 1, which is a use case. In this use case, we have 2 actors, seller and customer, and we have 9 use case. Seller and customer can register and can also log in, and customer can add to cart. The seller and customer can view order. Only the seller can update order status, set notification delivery and filter order status, and the customer can upload payment evidence and give rating. And now for the result for the second page, additive relationship diagram ERD. We have 8 tables here. We have user, customer, seller, order, product, order detail, payment, ratings, and under user we have customer and seller. One seller can have 0 or many product, and then one customer can give 0 or 1 ratings, and the order, one or many order are issued by one customer, and one payment made for one orders, and many order can have many products. So we have bridge here between orders and product. We have order detail. Now we move to the result of last page implementation, which is I'm going to show you a system demo for Just Cookies Order mobile application with notification. First, we start with the overall of the customer account. To enjoy the feature of the customer in this mobile application, the customer need to create account. First, we choose the profile picture from gallery, and then we'll fill in other detail like email, password, our username, and then phone number. For location, we just need to click on GPS button above, and it will be automatically fill in all the address detail. Next, we move to the main page of the customer account, and this is for order list. We can update our profile detail by click on the button above. Beside profile detail button, we have setting button to enable notification. And then we can click on the shop Just Cookies to view product, view rating from the customer, and also to place order. There are also a filter to differentiate between product with promotion or without promotion. The call button can be used to call the Just Cookies, and map button to view the location of Just Cookies. And then confirmation before logout. If we have an issue for password and want to reset our password, we can click on our forget password and fill in our email. The link will be sent to our email. Okay, now open your email and click on the link given. Put your new password and then save. Now for the overall of the seller account. First we log in first as a seller. And then on the main page, there are a list of product or cookies list for Just Cookies. And then we also have a list of order with filter button based on order status. And we also have list of customer, but the seller don't have any authorities to edit or delete their account. They can just view when there is customer online. The seller will get a message. The seller can add for another seller or add for a product. Now we choose the profile picture for our product. If we have discount, we can switch on the discount. And then click add to add the product into our shop. And that's it. We can view the cookies detail. There are 4 buttons above. First is to set a delivery reminder, view rating of customer, update profile detail, and lastly we have a setting to enable notification. Okay, for the first problem, difficulty to cope with menu platform to receive order from his customer. So the solution is I develop a Just Cookies Order mobile app as the only platform for the customer to place order and for the seller to receive order. And to place order, the customer can go to Just Cookies shop and add product to cart. The seller also can adjust the quantity of the product and then view the cart. The customer can also remove the product and place the order. There will be a reminder for the customer to make payment. Okay, once the customer place order, the seller will receive notification for the new order. Okay, the seller can update order status. And the customer will receive the notification for the update order status by the seller. And then the seller also can change the delivery type, whether the cash on delivery or postage. And then the customer will receive the notification for the change of the delivery type. Okay, now the customer can make payment by upload the image of the receipt of online banking. Then the customer select the receipt from the gallery. Okay, once the customer upload the receipt, the seller will receive the notification. Okay, because the image is small, so the seller can zoom in. Okay, the customer also can download the order detail as image, and the image can be viewed in their gallery. And lastly, the customer can give rating and feedback for the product and service by the seller. Okay, now for the second problem, difficulty to search for specific order from his customer. Mr. Zainul need to get their order detail for packaging. So the solution is filter order status. Okay, in the filter order status, we have ongoing, then move to the packing, and then on delivery, and lastly complete. So we filter the order status, and then we choose ongoing. Ongoing means the order is still not packing yet. Okay, here is the list of order that is still ongoing and that's still not packing yet. So we can click on the each order to view their order detail. Okay, now for the third problem, difficulty to keep track on delivery to the customer. This is because Mr. Zainul as a seller sometimes forget about his delivery to the customer. The process of this business is the order is packing a day before delivery. So the seller need to set for reminder by click on the alert button above, and the notification reminder for delivery will be set on 8 a.m. on the next day. Okay, now 8 a.m. and the general notification for to remind about delivery appear at 8 a.m. That's all from me. Thank you.